Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Olymp trade. You click on settings, here in this first page of settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Olymp trade and you will enter in this window. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.